She looks like she's yelling at me.
I'll explain that in a second.
Man, please, motherfuckers be coming back here doing
Sir,
fucked up.
you need to back away.
I'm not backing up nothing. This is my wife.
Don't interfere with the traffic stop.
I'm not interfering with nothing. Y'all was all up on her phone.
263 Baker for Frank. Hold us out, 1500 block.
Call back up. Do whatever you gotta do.
I think we're Xanthia Xenia with a couple. Starts another car.
Got off work,
because there were cars coming, and you guys were safe enough distance away
think we're Xanthia Xenia
to pull across the street. I live
Why
here.
don't y'all do some real work? Like, I mean, there's motherfuckers getting killed around this motherfucker, raped and shit. Come on with that.
Do you have your license? What's up?
Yeah,
Registration, proof of insurance.
Thank you.
Yeah, I do.
Unnecessary. Code 9, thank you though.
I mean, y'all
You
trying
can back
extra
up,
hard.
please.
Yeah,
I'm
man.
just trying to get
Back up, please.
I mean, what are you
I
being
just need
so
a driver's
aggressive?
license.
Well, I'll
your
give it to him.
But
You
what are you
can
being
back
so
up.
aggressive?
Why do you think I'm being aggressive?
I mean, you up on her like
Back
that.
up,
Like, what
please.
you being aggressive
I
for,
live
though?
here. Back up.
I
I will
You're
give,
digging into a car. I'm gonna look. I'm gonna look here.
Fucking weapon. She just got
Well,
off
I don't
work.
know that because I've
I
never
will
been in
give
that
him
car.
my stuff. You need to back up away from
Okay.
me. You need to back up.
Shit, man.
Grab your driver's
You need
license.
to back up.
Grab your driver's
I
license.
will if you back the fuck up.
Okay, I'm gonna step.
Yeah. Step the fuck
here.
back.
Do shit, man.
Step
All
the
y'all do
fuck
is
back.
bother motherfuckers. Did y'all get
Motherfucker.
sent over here to bother somebody?
Oh no, it's because I pulled out in front of them.
Yeah, because, I mean, y'all in the fucking way. Y'all don't do shit. Motherfuckers
Because
call
I
y'all,
pulled
y'all
out
come
to
over
cross
here,
the
run over
street
here, make the criminals get the
safely.
fuck away. Y'all fuck around and play around.
Here you go.
Thank you. Do you have the insurance on your car?
Yes, I do. Would you back the fuck up and let me get in my car?
Why are you all up? Why are you being so aggressive, though?
Just
That's
by
what I'm
asking
trying to
friendly
understand.
questions?
You ain't
I don't think
fucking
that's being
asking shit.
aggressive.
You pulled me
What's
over
friendly
for
about
some
it?
bullshit, homie.
What's
Fuck
friendly
you.
about it, though?
You pulled me over for some
I can't hear you.
bullshit.
She's
And this
screaming
you
at
drive.
me.
What the fuck is this? You calling for backup for a white girl and a black dude? What? Because we stay in the hood? You act like this in Park Hill? Is that your district? You gonna say something? I've been doing this for a long time, man. You look like a kid to me, bruh.
Doing what?
Doing this fake ass shit that you police do, where you harassing people that just got the fuck off work, that pay taxes.
Stop. Like,
That's
just
what the fuck
stop.
I've been doing,
I
bruh.
worked 12 fucking hours today. Like, I don't want to.
Yeah, you look like a kid to me, homie. I don't give a fuck what you. That badge don't mean shit. When you come out that uniform, you a regular motherfucker.
Okay, can you everybody just shut the fuck up so I can find my shit? God, the fuck,
Man, let them write a fake ass ticket. That's all they gonna do. Motherfuckers don't do shit. Motherfuckers running through our shit. We call y'all. You drove down here quick as a motherfucker. When the motherfucker had me over here standing, I had my hands up. He had a gun drawn on me. You fine, motherfucker. Look how you're acting. Man, look how you acting. Look how you motherfuckers got. Look how you just drove up.
All right, just hang tight for a minute, okay?
Sure.
That's why we're driving up.
What does that mean? Oh, is that why you driving up here? Oh, is that why you drove fast?
Oh my god, you guys are fucking funny.
Is that why you drove fast? Yeah, is that why?
Very angry.
Wow. I can't say that I know them. She acts like
Yeah.
we have a
The only one
Yeah.
is the fucking guy.
4 years, bro.
Intelligent one that can show a motherfucker some respect around this fucking motherfucker.
There's
Fuck,
families.
I don't give a fuck.
Stop screaming.
Fuck you, I don't care.
There's
homie.
children.
I wanted to come home and fucking go inside and chill out. I've been working for 12 fucking hours, and you pull me over for what? For pulling in front of you
but there's
at a
pedophiles
safe
running up and
fucking
down,
amount of
motherfucker.
speed?
There's motherfuckers running up and down this motherfucker, vandalizing cars, faggots, motherfucking pedophiles, fucking with kids. Y'all motherfuckers just drove down the street like she broke a real motherfucking law. Y'all some cowards,
because
man.
I pulled in front of
Come
him
on, man.
at a safe distance
I mean,
across
damn,
the street.
is it the neighborhood? What is it? Does that make y'all feel like y'all vindicated to fuck with people like that? Just be all up on them, harassing them, driving extra fast. Come on, man.
What's she got for contacts, man?
she's been a victim of several crim misses in the last
Uh-huh.
year. That's like it. She's got like a couple neighbor disturbances in the last year. But I'm telling you, that's it.
Yeah.
This is funny.
Do you have more?
Yeah, we could all be in the fucking warmth right now.
You gotta stay until we're done.
Of course.
Just keep an eye on this guy. He's real amped up.
No the fuck he's not. You're a fucking asshole and you pulled me over for no reason.
Fuck about none of that shit.
Fucking
Y'all look like some lames to me. Y'all just drove over here, but
Stay there.
This is our fucking house,
Hey.
homie. Who gives a fuck?
Hey,
What are you doing?
your man is okay. I'm asking him.
Fucking take your
What are you
goddamn
doing?
hands off of him.
Oh, you're gonna grab me? Stop pushing
Fucking
her.
hands off of him.
Hey, stop pushing her,
Take
homie.
your fucking hands.
Fake ass
Lady.
shit.
Take your fucking hands off.
pushing her.
That's a
Don't.
Stop.
fucking motherfucker. Really?
Get on the ground right now.
Really?
Get on the fucking ground.
Oh, don't let me laugh at. What the fuck are you doing?
Give us your hands. Give us your hands. Get your hands on the ground now. Put your hands behind you.
You got my hands though. What?
Sir, put your hands
What are y'all doing?
behind your back.
Oh wow.
Watch out. Get your hands behind your back.
Man, what are y'all doing, homie? Why y'all doing all this?
Give me your hands.
Why y'all doing this though?
Lay down flat on your stomach. Lay on your stomach. All right.
What are y'all trying to like kill?
You are hurting me.
Put your hands behind your back. Oh my God, y'all crazy as shit, dog.
Stop.
Hey, my baby, stop yelling. They just did some real crazy shit. Don't even fight them. Hey, go tell
She
your
good?
son, man. What are y'all doing? Y'all just beat me up like that?
You're hurting me. I want to sit up.
All this over traffic stuff.
Damn.
Yo!
What the
Oh,
fuck
so
is
ain't
the
no neighbors just see us beat us up like this?
Are you serious?
Wow.
What
Huh?
the fuck?
Can't beat us up like this.
Over me
Wow.
fucking over, really?
That was
Really?
fuck.
Over me being pulled over, really?
Y'all really just gonna beat me up
Really?
like
Where
that?
are my glasses at? You broke my
You
only
need to
pair of
use,
fucking
obviously.
glasses.
Okay,
Are you
Kristyn,
fucking
I don't
kidding
even
me?
know why the fuck y'all just
Can I please stand up?
No.
You are sitting up.
I said stand up. I have a broken fucking ankle. I can't fucking see. Where's my glasses? I want to see. Where the fuck is
Yo,
my
stop
glasses?
yelling, my baby.
I am fucking blind, goddammit.
I
This is
understand.
fucking illegal.
Yeah, you fucked my shit up. I didn't even do
This
that.
is fucking illegal. Where are my glasses at? Can somebody please find my glasses? I am blind. I cannot fucking see.
We're gonna put her in our car. Ready?
Yep.
Stand up.
My children are in the house. What the fuck is wrong with y'all? You don't have to do that shit.
Search her real quick.
You didn't have to fucking get the fuck off of me.
Is that side good?
What the fuck is going on?
Huh?
I don't have shit. I've been at work for 12 fucking hours.
Okay.
My kids are in the house, man.
How old are your kids?
Not old enough to stay at home by themselves.
Okay, put
Can
your feet
you
in.
please stop?
Put your feet in.
I want to. Where's the other officer?
Put your feet in.
What the fuck is wrong with
Put
y'all?
your feet in. Put your
My
foot in.
children
I don't
are
want to
in the
hurt your
house.
leg. Put your foot in.
I have young children in
I'll
the house.
talk to you in a second. I have something to do. Everybody's in custody at this time. I'll be going camera off. It's Officer Foster 1365.